Hello, my name is Morgan Dunn, and this is my scenario on forensic science. If you don't know what forensic science is, this is Dr. Pamela Marshall's definition. Forensic science truly is the application of science to solve crime, whether that is through a criminal trial or through civil means. Dr. Pamela Marshall is the head director of forensic science and the law at Duquesne University. This first part of the video is a fake crime scene that I set up. I'm going to go through step by step, showing how it might be solved. This is the crime scene. The clothes represent the body of the victim. The red circles on the shirt represent bullet holes. The black pieces of paper around the body represent bullets. And the orange on the victim's leg represents where that person got burned. Also, this is a piece of evidence that was found that will be explained later on. The thing that a forensic scientist might do when first arriving is pull out a notebook and start to write things down about the scene. They might write things down about gender if it's easy to tell, evidence found, body position, and so on. And at this point, they should treat everything like evidence and take pictures of it. Another thing that will occur when they arrive is create a perimeter big enough to close in any evidence around the scene that they might need. They will mark that with caution tape. In the video, the string represents the caution tape. Also, depending on the number of people around, they might call security to guard around the perimeter so no one is getting in. The next thing that will happen is coming up with a plan. They will communicate, look at evidence further, and more. In my interview with Dr. Marshall, she told me that they also have to look at the time of death, which can usually be told by the body's decomposition and presence of insects if the body is outside. The last few things that an investigator would do is begin to follow their plans they have discussed, do a second walkthrough of the scene to make sure they got everything, and preserve the evidence, which is being shown in the video. Also, they will look for evidence in other areas around the crime scene. For example, the gloves were found in a dumpster near the scene. They will test the blood on the gloves and on the victim to see if there is a match. This way, they will be able to tell if the gloves were used to do the killing. Then there's also the shoe, which was burned, and it was found a little bit away from the body. It clearly belonged to the victim. In the end of all of this, they will follow every lead to find the criminal. If you find all of this interesting and you are interested in forensic science, you can continue watching to see some of the classes you could take to be involved. Everything about these classes I got from my interview with Dr. Marshall. Here are the classes to focus on. First off, classes to focus on in high school. You can take any science or math class. Stay focused on biology, chemistry, calculus, and physics. The next thing is what to major in college, and that can be forensic science-related programs. You could take a program and work towards a master's. Try and take additional coursework as well. Here are some end credits. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed.